good, gang? Welcome to another video, man. Every time I get on here, bro, I be forgetting to put this on first, so y'all can hear me. But with that being said, man, gang, welcome back to another video on the channel, man. Hey, right now, we finna go ahead to the exhaust shop because, as y'all do know, I do have a hole in my mid pipe. So I'm finna pull up on them real quick, see if they able to fix this leak for me. And if they can, we're gonna go ahead and get it done. That's something that we gotta do because we are losing pressure on the right side. And if you don't know what a hole at, is like right under the O2 sensor. So it's not reading correctly with my tune and everything. So I definitely need to get this done ASAP. You know what I'm saying? So we on the way. I'm gonna cut the camera off now, but when we get there, I'm gonna cut the camera back on. So make sure y'all stay for that. Matter of fact, y'all ain't really gotta stay because while I make that long drive, it finna just come up right now. I'm finna go ahead and pull it in, gang. That bitch sounds so good, y'all. Let's see if they can get that right, man. Finger cross. I really need some brakes out him. If they get me right, though, I'm gonna change my oil and everything. Looks so good, y'all. Flat beef, bro. That bitch about to cut off on his ass. And they're trying to eat, y'all. I don't know. Might not get it up. Let's see. Cons of having a low carb, bro. It take them forever to get it on the round. That nigga say go back. That boy say go back. They got a lot they goddamn do, boy. To get it on that route, cause my kit, the front little splitter, side skirts and all that. Now, if I ain't had it, it'll go up though. But that kit, it was making it lower. Like, he don't know what to do. got to get down there and see what's going on. I definitely got to respray the lights in the back. All on the side markers, the rear, and the third brake light. I had to go get on my wood. Back. Ooh, barely got up though. They found a way. They know what they doing. They found a way for it to get up though. Got it in there, y'all.
Come hit us up at Speedy Muffling Performance anytime for anything muffler, catalytic converter related, headers, downpipes, everything, anything exhaust.
Yes, sir. Gang, I ain't even gonna lie to you, bro. Patching up that hole made a big ass difference, bro. It pulling like, I don't know, man. I don't be wanting the goddamn hype nothing up and nothing like that, but it sound better. That's just not leaking. If y'all can hear. I don't hear no exhaust right here. I used to hear the exhaust right here. Now I don't hear the exhaust right here no more. It's all in the back now. So doing that really goddamn just made Black Beast a lot more healthier, bro. And I needed that. I'm glad I found somebody that can actually do it the same day. And I had got off early, so I'm like, man, I need to find somebody who can do this because I've been putting it off because I've been working. But he was like, yeah, just bring it on in. We got you. Man, these folks went ahead and did that junk and knocked it out, bro. And he ain't charging bad. So if y'all ever need some work done, man, make sure y'all go check my boy out, man. He shouted his stuff out. So
in about 4 miles, turn left onto Oakley Industrial Boulevard.
So make sure y'all go check my boy out, man. And tell him Pharaoh sent you, man. But he got on it and he did it, man. And it made a big difference, bro. Like, I'm gonna give y'all a little pull, cause a lot of y'all might think I might be lying or something. But this bitch is snatching though. Like, what the hell? Good little road to pull on real quick. Like, I don't hear that ugly ass exhaust right here no more, gang, and I'm happy, bro. Like, I used to hear it, like, because I knew it had a leak. Now I don't hear that shit, bro. Had to get that junk done, dog. Right, that's why I didn't answer my boy. I had to goddamn finish this up real quick. Oh my goodness. So he got me a little burple tune on here. I was thinking that was coming from the exhaust leak, but when I said that he loud, so he turned it down just a little bit with a little burples on it and junk like that. But for y'all that know me, y'all know I don't like that shit, man. But when I get that dyno tune, that's definitely coming off. So I had to really get this done. I need to do a tune-up, oil change, and then once I do that, we should be getting ready to do a dyno tune soon, gang. So y'all stay tuned for that. Not only we gonna do the dyno tune, we're gonna get numbers, and we're gonna get a good ass tune. So make sure y'all be ready for all that, man. I had to just go ahead and show y'all, man, what's going on. Had to get it done. I had to do it, man. That shit put me in the seat. What the fuck, bro? I was hurting from the exhaust leak that bad. Oh my God. And the pops are more crazier. As much as I say I don't like it, bro, I'm starting to like it to goddamn fuck with these cars. I ain't gonna
At the next stop sign, turn right.
To mess with these cars and then that shit start popping on their ass. Like, say somebody pull out in front of me, then I hit it, then I let off that motherfucker, that bitch go to popping. They come by me just looking crazy. But yeah, gang, I had to go ahead and do it. Glad I went ahead and did it, man. We back.
At the stop sign, turn right onto Lee's Mill Road.
My bad for the GPS, but she damn near 100% now. Not even gonna lie to y'all. How quiet it is up here now. Yes, on both sides.